We want to write a program that basically reads to text and send it to a function, send them to a function. What the function needs to do is basically to find characters that are the same on those two texts and print their index, basically, with a message like this, that this character O are the same in index 5 on both texts. So, find common chars. It received two texts, text 1 and text 2. Then all we need to do is we need a for that counts for the length of the first text for I in range then inside the loop we need an if statement that checks two things. First of all, we need to check that the index I actually exists in the second text. If the second text is shorter than the first text, we need to check whether that index is in text 2 or not. Otherwise, you get an error. So the first condition of, or the first Boolean expression of our if statement is actually greater than I. Then we want to see whether that ith index of text 1 is the same with ith index of text 2. So we just say text 1 index I the same with text 2 index I. If that's the case, then those two characters are the same, so we can print the message. Hence, we can print character text I is the same at index and I, and do nothing otherwise. That's our function. Now in our main program, we're just going to read both texts. Enter text 1, then read the second text, to text 2, and then it just calls the function and supplies both text 1 and text 2. Let's give it a try. Okay. So typo here. Let's give it a try again. So the text in here, the Holy Grail. The second text is Life of Brian. And you can see character O is the same at index 5. If you don't check whether the ith index actually exists in text 2, and then you supply a text 2 that is shorter than text 1, your program is going to crash.